Welcome to the product presentation of the new Kamiq Scoutline. By launching the new Kamiq Scoutline, Škoda is debuting its first Scoutline SUV. It is thereby now adding an adventurous-looking model to the portfolio of our city SUV, following on from the Monte Carlo lifestyle version. In the upcoming minutes, you will learn more about the Kamiq Scoutline from our product expert, Aleš Petrus. However, before we start with his presentation, let's have a test drive. It's really amazing. The seating position of the Kamiq Scoutline is only 40 millimeters higher than in our compact model Škoda Scala. But nevertheless, you have this real SUV feeling. For sure, it's not a sporty car to drive, but that was not our aim with the Kamiq Scoutline. Our SUV customers like the style and safety more than on-the-edge thrills, and the Kamiq gets the balance just right. The 1-liter TSI in this Kamiq Scoutline is more than sufficient for those who spend most of the time in town. It's quite refined and plenty punchy, enough for nipping about in heavy traffic. The body control is very good for a car of this type, and turning is sharp, allowing you to point the car confidently. The controls are light, the steering is easy to operate. The DSG automatic gearbox, also called twin clutch or DCT gearbox, makes really fun to use because it shifts gear with no interruption of torque from the engine. In its interior, the Kamiq Scoutline offers a really big amount of space. Aleš is calling. Hi Aleš, I guess you're waiting in the studio, right?
Yes, exactly. I'm already there.
Okay, so we will hurry up and I will be there in 5 minutes, yeah?
Okay.
Great, see you.
See ya. Ciao.
We have to hurry up.
Hello everybody. My name is Aleš Petrus and I'm responsible for the Kamiq in our product marketing team, and I'm very glad to be the part of this short presentation. So let's start with the exterior. Our designers made a really good job by upgrading the Kamiq with the outdoor look, thanks to black protective parts around the wheel arches, the sills, combined with chunky silver part in the front bumper, as well as silver painted diffuser in the back, and as well with silver painted covers of the side rear view mirrors. The customer can choose from two options of the wheels: the 17-inch Braga or this exclusive 18-inch wheels Crater, both of them in anthracite color with this diamond cut finish. Although we are speaking about city crossover, with all these protective parts and additional protection under the engine and gearbox, the Kamiq Scoutline is not afraid to be driven also off the road. Now let's move on the interior of the Scoutline. The specific seats of the Scoutline consist of the microfiber on the sides of the seat, and the whole middle part is made out of the specially developed thermoflux textile, which helps to keep your back cooled and fresh also on the longer journeys. The customer can choose from two options of the dashboard. Here you can see the dark grey brush decor, and the second one would be the ash brown. All Scoutlines are equipped with aluminum pedals and leather steering wheel, in this version with a new two-spoke design.
This was the Kamiq Scout Line launch. Thank you very much to Aleš Petrus, our expert from product marketing. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the product communications department. Thank you very much and see you soon.